Hello everyone, I am Andre T. Cruz from 11 Yums Amarsolo and I'm from the House of Ravenclaw. Now, let's make a movie analysis about the movie titled Unfriended Dark Web. First, let's talk about the director. Steven Susko is an American scriptwriter, producer, and director. He is best known for writing horror films such as The Grudge 2, and The Texas Chainsaw 3D. His directorial debut film, Unfriended Dark Web, had its premiere at SXSW on March 9, 2018. Next is let's talk about the characters of the movie. Colin Hoodell as Matthias, Stephanie Nageras as Amaya, Betty Gabriel as Nari, Rebecca Rittenhouse as Serena, Connor Del Reo as AJ, Savira Widyani as Lex, Alexa Monsur as Erica Dunn, Chelsea Alden as Kelly, Brian Adrian as Sharon 4, or also known as Nora C, and other actors and actresses who played the Charons are Douglas Tate, Rob Welsh, Alexander Ward, Kurt Carley, Chuck Lines, Cara Beltran, Maya Nally, Ashton Smiley, and Eric Watson. Next, I will give the brief synopsis of the movie. After finding a laptop, a young man goes online to play a game with 5 of his good friends. He shows them a mysterious folder that plays disturbing videos of people who appear to be in danger. They then receive an anonymous message that tells them they will all die if they disconnected or call the police. The planned night of fun quickly turns deadly as each user becomes the target of the something sinister, while the others must watch helplessly in terror. Upon watching the film, I observed certain internet threats. These are malware and spyware. The antagonist infects the characters' devices with malicious software allowing them to monitor their activities, steal personal information, and manipulate their digital presence without their knowledge. This form of cyber threat compromises their privacy and security, leading to their consequences. Next is phishing. The antagonist employs deceptive tactics to trick the characters into revealing sensitive information or unwittingly downloading harmful files by impersonating trusted entities or friends. A villain lures the characters into compromising situations, amplifying the tension and the danger they face online. Now, let's move on to the ICT trends presented in this film. First is convergence of technologies. Video chat, social media, and the dark web seamlessly blend, reflecting interconnected digital platforms. Next is social media influence. Characters' lives revolve around social media, exposing vulnerabilities and showcasing the real-world impact of digital interactions. This movie taught me and made me realize that emphasizes the value of internet caution and privacy awareness as the protagonists work their way through a web of fraud and manipulation. Their terrifying experience served as a warning, emphasizing the negative effects of careless internet interactions in the real world. Viewers are prompted to reevaluate their online activities and ramification of their digital imprint by the film, which highlights the possibilities for exploitation and abuse in the virtual realm. In the end, Unfriended Dark Web is a sobering reminder of the intricate and frequently dangerous internet environment. And that's all. Thank you for listening.
Before I end this video, I want to leave you a quote saying, technology is a powerful tool, use it wisely, don't let it control you. Hashtag unfriended, hashtag be mindful. Bye-bye!